In this ukulele video, I'm going to answer the number one question out there, which is how hard is it to learn to play the ukulele? Not only am I going to answer that question in this video, but I'm also going to give you 3 valuable tips on how you can become a great ukulele player. So thanks for being here. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification. That way you'll get updates on anytime I post a new video tutorial or review or answer a question for ukulele, baritone, and also the Guitarlele. And if you're over on Instagram, I'd love to connect with you over there. You can find me at ukelikethepros. So this is a big question that gets asked on a lot of the networks out there. And I'm going to take a few minutes here and answer this. How hard is it to play the ukulele? So that's a great question. And it really needs to understand, like, what are you comparing it to? Are you comparing it to how easy it is compared to the guitar? Are you talking about if you're just getting on an instrument, how easy it is to play the ukulele compared to the kazoo? So what's the reference? But I'm just going to jump right in and say the ukulele itself is not a very hard instrument to at least get started with. And why is that? The size of it. It's a very nice size. This is a tenor size ukulele. We won't get into all the sizes, but there is a soprano, which is the smallest, the concert, the tenor, and then the baritone being the biggest. But this is a tenor, so you can see even a tenor size is actually fairly small for a ukulele. So it's actually fairly easy to hold. I do have a strap, but even if you didn't have a strap. And it's pretty easy to grab a couple chords. Let's say right here, this is your C chord. You only requires 1 finger. So you can teach someone that pretty easy, and then just tell them to grab your finger here like this and strum, or even your thumb. So in that sense, it's pretty easy to get started. You can, with very little effort, you can get one of your first chords, and chords are when you're those are what we use to play our song. So in that sense, I could show you the C chord, pretty simple chord. I could show you this A minor chord. And again, this video is not about showing you the chords, but I'm going to show you how easy it is. Again, just another 1-finger chord here, only requiring one of our fingers here to play it. And the F chord. Ah, look at that, 2 fingers, so a little harder. And then you would do the G7 chord. And that one's just a little harder because notice, you use 3 fingers. So just to teach you that, you could actually get started pretty quickly and you could get that down. Now, does it get harder? Of course it does. As you start moving into harder chords, bar chords, different kind of strum patterns, or even like mutes, right? Or if you get into, maybe you like some finger picking, right? That's all stuff that takes a little bit more time. But as far as that getting started on the ukulele, that is totally no problem. Now, a couple things here. I'm going to give you some tips here that you want to focus on. One, you want to get started and learn the fundamentals. You want to learn the basics. Okay, so you want to get a good handle on your technique and how you're holding it, how you're sitting, how your hands are playing ukulele. For example, are you playing here on your fingertips like you should be? Or are you playing here on your pad and you're getting this kind of bad sound? So technique. Now I have a great course, the beginning boot camp course for ukulele, which is a beginning course. It's only like $20 too. Over at ukelikethepros.com. That is a great course if you're getting started. We get you started with these simple chords and some simple strumming as well. So you want to have a good solid foundation that you can then build on. Too many times people will start in the middle at something here and then they lose the fundamentals. So you want to have a good fundamentals thing. You want to be part of a community because ukulele is a very community-based instrument. So again, ukelikethepros.com. We have thousands of people in the online community there. Become a part of that. All my premium members, they get to come live with me every we can do Q&As. That's part of a community. You want to be part of that community. Find the communities on Instagram. Find the communities on Facebook, YouTube. Find out the ukulele communities and become part. Because it's going to make you more enjoyable to play. Also going to push you and hold you accountable as well. So you want to do that. And then you want to know like what you want to do. Like, what do you want to learn? Are you just trying to maybe strum? just kind of strum some songs? Do you want to get, like I showed earlier, a little bit of finger picking? Right? Do you want to do some chord melody stuff? Do you want to solo? Do you want to play the blues? Right? So there's a lot of avenues that go down. So you have to figure that out. Be clear on what you want to learn. And then, again, find a great program that will help you, guide you, okay? So anyway, those are the 3 tips I'm going to give you. So learn the foundation, get a good, fundamental, solid foundation. Become part of a community. And then 3, decide where you want to go. It doesn't mean you can't learn a little of everything, because I know you want to probably do that, but focus on something and get it down before you branch off into too many different things. So anyway, how hard is it to play the ukulele? Not hard to get started, but of course, just like anything, as you get deeper and deeper into it, it gets a little bit more complicated. So thanks for being here. Appreciate it. If you haven't done so, again, please subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment. That'd be great. What do you think of this video? Are you new to the ukulele? Did you just start? Have you kind of been playing for a while? Let me know that kind of stuff. So, and also don't forget, I'm over at Instagram at ukelikethepros. So anyway, it's good seeing you. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.